Here we go.
Here we go. We're back.
We're back.
Welcome back. I'm Cindy. This is my wonderful husband, Matt. We are full-time resellers. All of our income comes from reselling online. So today...
I almost died.
Really? We're just going to go there. We're just going to start right off. All righty. We went back to a thrift store for the first time in
2 years, at least.
Yeah, I think a little over 2 years. And this is how it went. In case you were interested, I almost died. But you know,
that's not when I almost died.
My driving aside.
First, you decided we weren't going to that thrift store because you decided we were going to go, I don't know, to somewhere else. Yes. And I had to tell you to get off at the right exit.
That's true. I got lost, not once, but twice. It's been a little bit since we've been to the thrift store. Mm-hmm. Then we got to the first thrift store, and it was closed.
Not open yet. Not closed, but they just weren't open yet.
Yes. Like, what kind of thrift store doesn't open in the morning? Come on.
Right.
So we had to pivot, name of the game here, and go to a different thrift store.
Where I almost died.
Yeah. Okay, we got it. Next time you can drive. So we went to a Goodwill. Mm-hmm. Now, it should be said that we didn't do this because our Amazon sales are down or because we just have the time.
No, we had like 40 packages to ship today.
So Amazon is doing great.
Yeah.
Our sales are fantastic. That's not the issue at all. We just had the time. And honestly, I've missed hanging out with you.
I don't know why.
I'm not sure either, but I've missed hanging out with you. When we sell on Amazon, you generally find products online at home, and then I go and get them. Because there's no need for both of us to be in a store if we're just doing a pickup or if we're just running in and grabbing a single item off of a shelf, multiple quantities, but we're just beelining to one section and there's no point in us both being there. But the thrift stores, we've always sourced together because then you go and you source the men's and I source the women's. So, and I've missed hanging out with you. Mm-hmm. I don't know that you can say the same. But moving right along, he's missed me. Really, he has. Moving right along, we went to the thrift, and so we're going to show you what we got. Now, we went in with the idea of...
We were very selective.
Yes, being very, very selective.
Yeah, I could have picked up at least 20, 30 things.
I was surprised.
Yeah, me too.
At, one, how good the prices were. We really thought...
Don't they could be watching and be like, check the prices up. But yeah, the prices were reasonable.
Yeah, we really thought that the prices had gotten really high when we stopped going.
Yeah, last time we went, they were double, easily.
Yeah, double. And so prices had actually come down a little bit. Mm-hmm. So that was fantastic. Mm-hmm. And they had a lot of items that we would have considered our bread and butter items in the past that we just passed on. Mm-hmm. Because we're not trying to go back full-time eBay, full-time used clothing. This was just kind of a fun experiment for us.
This is dipping our toes in the water.
Dipping our toes in the water. We've got the time. We know how to do it. And I think it's good to keep that skill.
Yeah, absolutely.
Keep knowing where to thrift, how to thrift, what's available where. I think those are all good things. Mm-hmm. So.
You never know when you have to pivot again.
You never know. That's absolutely right. So, we'll see who did better. You want to go first? You got this one.
Well, I got this one.
Yes.
So it's a blue shirt.
You can all roll your eyes at him too. It's okay. He knows it well. This is a Buzz Off Orvis men's long sleeve.
New with tags.
New with tags. We love new with tags.
Reason I got it was A, new with tags. B, it was
$7.
And it was Orvis is a good outdoors brand if you're not familiar with them. So it's a good outdoor.
Yeah, we're going into the right season hunting. For it.
Yeah.
The Buzz Off is the insect shield. Mm-hmm. So that always does really well for us.
Or it used to.
Always has done really well for us.
We got to do the caveats.
It's been a minute.
It's been a while, so it could not do anything.
All of these could totally not sell.
Yeah, no guarantees.
No guarantees. So you got that for $7, which I thought was a good buy.
Mm-hmm.
And you got this.
Never heard of it.
Now, it's a collab brand.
Yeah, I didn't notice that. But the reason I got it was it's actually a women's, and it was in the men's shirt. So this is your little
really cute
tip for.
See, it's got all the stuff.
Why we do this. It's
got embroidery on the elbows.
A lot of times I'll find good women's brands in the men's section.
Yeah, and vice versa.
Either they put them there or someone put it there thinking they'll come back to get it. I don't know, but the reason I looked it up was Made in USA. That was always one of my...
Yeah, if it's made in the USA or made in Italy, we always tend to look it up.
Made in Portugal.
So the brand is Bliss and Mischief, and it's collab with NSF. So NSF, we might even still have it, a new with tags NSF shirt that I think sold recently, but that stinker took forever.
Now, was it a collab or was it just an NSF?
No, it was just straight NSF, and it was tiny, 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 like really toddler-sized small. So yeah, this was definitely better. And you did look it up, and there was a sold for it.
Yeah, there was a
recent sold.
Yeah.
So
yeah, they took a best offer on it. I think they had it listed for like $60.
Yeah, and it had just sold. So it was $6, but I think that should be a good deal.
Yeah. Yeah, and again, it was chambray. That usually does well and
used to do well. We will see.
We'll see. I'm going with my old
Gymshark, just basic like lilac athletic pants, size small. This is the stuff that I got. They were $10, which is a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but athletic wear still does just remarkably well. That I have been watching, and holy cow. So Gymshark's a good brand. If nothing else, they should sell fast.
Yeah, we've sold Gymshark in the past and have done well with them, but...
And I kind of went towards pants because pants are easier to photograph and they're easier to list and they get returned less. So, I kind of was on the easy train. What's easy? These are Lululemon. I don't know where I think it's on the leg.
With the thing?
Yeah.
Let's try and find the...
I don't know. Anyway, they're Lululemon.
Are they?
They're a size 6, which is a good size. They're a pattern, which may or may not be good. They were originally $15, but I had a $5 off coupon still, which made them $10.
When I gotta find a Lululemon thing on here.
It's right here.
Ah, there it is.
It's right there. So yeah, we'll see how they do. I don't know. I do know that when we were on vacation,
we saw a lot of Lululemon.
A ton of people still wearing Lululemon. So
yeah, and that's another thing we always do is we always kind of watch, what are people wearing? What do you see a lot of?
Yeah, what is the average person wearing?
Mm-hmm.
So I picked those up. These were a brand that I'd never heard of before.
Did you look them up?
I did.
Oh.
CQY. So they're a really nice dark wash. It's like a straight leg.
Yeah, and they're like brand new.
They're a size 26. This CQY brand is pretty pricey new. They didn't have a lot of solds, but they were $7.
Got the embroidery.
Yeah, it's got the embroidery on the pocket. So I kind of always like to try a new brand, see what happens.
Every time you find a new brand, it's like giving yourself a raise.
It is. It is. And then I picked up these. Paige isn't always good anymore, but they're a Kylie crop. We're going into cropped pant season. And they were a pink tag. Pink tags were half off, so they were only $3.50.
Yeah, we used to sell a lot of Paige.
And they're a 29, so they're a better size. They look to be in pretty good condition. We'll see when I actually go through everything how many things were actually good, but that is all that we bought.
Yeah. What, we get 5 things?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6 things.
6 things. So we didn't get a lot.
And again, we were very selective. I could have picked up easily 20 things.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, I saw a lot of things that we used to sell. But
a lot of things I would have immediately thrown into the cart, but this time we're just not looking for those kinds of items right now. This was just kind of a way to get to spend some time together and keep that skill up. So would you go back? Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah? Did you enjoy it? You had fun?
Yeah, I did. I enjoy the hunt.
Did you enjoy hanging out with me?
I enjoy the hunt. No, I enjoyed hanging out with you. I'm teasing.
But I didn't get lunch out of the deal.
No, I didn't get lunch either. So
you
sad face.
You still owe me lunch.
Okay, we can go out to lunch. It's lunchtime now.
Yeah. But yeah, I think that we will start maybe going just like to one store.
Yeah, once a week.
Once a week while we have time. Amazon tends to slow down for us over the summer. And it's kind of nice to do something a little bit different.
Because someone's got I
have squirrel brain, also known as ADD. So it's nice for me to do something different as we kind of then prep again for another fall Q4 on Amazon, when things will get just ridiculously crazy once again.
Yeah, and we won't have time.
So this is just kind of something fun that we can do over the summer, keep that skill up. Find some stuff.
Make a few dollars, hopefully, and we'll set that aside for like date night. We'll see how much of a date we're gonna go on with our 6 things.
Yeah. I'm thinking McDonald's, but
McDonald's, maybe like $60.
Right? Yeah, it's gotten a little expensive, but anyhow, we had fun. That's what we found. Definitely the opportunity to go thrifting for used clothing to resell online is still there.
We think. We got to see how these...
Well, but we could have bought more.
We could have bought more, but again, we don't know the velocity and...
Yeah.
You know...
Yeah.
Saturation, market saturation. I mean, we'll have to see it. We'll report.
We'll report back.
And see...
And let you know how it goes.
Who's the winner and who's the loser.
It'll be me. Always. Thanks for hanging out with us.